group a little closer together. Stop this accordion effect. There you go. Just let everybody catch up. So folks, you've been walking on this beautiful terrazzo marble. As you can see, it's a brown terrazzo marble, but if you look right across that threshold over there, you'll see black terrazzo. Now the reason why there's a different colors in this particular intersection is because this color terrazzo marble that you're looking at right now, this was the color that the Martina brothers chose exclusively for the dam. So no matter where you are in this power plant, if you look down on the floor, you see a brown terrazzo, you know you're inside the dam somewhere. And we're still inside the dam. You were standing on top of it. We came down to the heart of the dam in the elevator, and we're still walking in the dam, if you can believe it or not. We walked the football field, but you didn't even realize it because of the curvature of the tunnels. Okay? Now, once you cross over that location, the black terrazzo indicates power plant. So once you walk across there, you'll be in the power plant, and that black terrazzo will be throughout the entire power plant. You'll see it on the balcony. You'll see it as far as you can down past the generators at the power plant floor. Okay? Now surrounding you is tens of thousands of hand-cut porcelain and hand-cut terracotta tile. This is the porcelain, that's the terracotta. Now this is certainly reminiscent of the 1930s on the East Coast, and it's a reflection on the subway tiles in New York City they brought over here. Because in the 1930s, people in the West Coast did not understand why there were tiles on the walls, but the subways in New York City had them for decades before that, okay? So we're gonna be walking into the power plant, so just come on in, guys. You can go anywhere you want. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please go anywhere you want along the rails. A lot of people like to go to this far end down here, so you'll have a nice up-close view of that nearby generator, and you can also have a picture with all the generators in your background. Take all the pictures you want, take all the video you want, but just be careful, keep those cameras inside the rails, please, because if that camera goes over the rails, we cannot go get it. So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Bureau of Reclamation and the Hoover Dam, again, my name is Eno, and I want to welcome you all to the Nevada side of the power plant. Most of you are already looking down the center of the room, and you're looking at our big commercial generators. We have 17 of these commercial generators. There are at least 8 here in Nevada, and then we have 9 more on the Arizona power plant, which is behind me and across the river. But each one of these generators you're looking at here, they weigh 4 million pounds each. They're 70 feet tall. But you can only see the top 30 feet of them. The rest of the generators are below the floor. If there is a light on top of a generator, that indicates that generator is currently online and is producing power right now. And just by looking straight down the road, the first one online is N2. N2 stands for Nevada's number 2 generator. Then we got N5, 6, 7, and 8 on the far end are online as well. When they're online, they produce 130 megawatts of power each. When combined, all 17 generators produce 2,074 megawatts of power. That is more than enough electricity for over 1.5 million homes in Southern California, Nevada, and Arizona. Now, if you continue looking down the center of the room, and just above the generators, you're going to see those 2 big leading bridge springs out there, especially the one that's a little closer to us, the American flag. Now, those bridge springs are original to this building from the 1930s. They both span the width of the room, and they both run on tracks that run the entire length of this power plant. Each of those bridge springs up there can lift 300 tons. To give you an idea how much lifting capability that is, just one of these bridge springs alone can easily lift the Statue of Liberty, which weighs a whopping 225 tons. But when we combine those 2 bridge cranes together, they form what we call the super crane, and it can lift 600 tons. That's going to be very helpful if we ever have to lift one of the big rotors inside these generators that can weigh up to 580 tons. So ladies and gentlemen, here's a very quick explanation how electricity is made down here. You remember when you're on top of the dam and you're looking at the lake, you saw those big concrete structures coming out of the lake. Those are intake towers. 250 feet below the water line of those intake towers in the lake are these big 32-foot diameter butterfly valves. When they open up, they suck in water from the lake, and it fills a big old pipe, a 30-foot diameter penstock pipe, gravity fed, and that 30-foot diameter pipe comes rushing down through here towards the power plant. That pipe is actually parallel to all these generators to the right side of that wall. Now from that big pipe comes out these smaller pipes, about 13 feet in diameter, and they will go to each individual generator 40 feet below the floor. So 40 feet below the floor, each of these generators, there is a horizontal water main or a Francis input turbine. Weighs about 34 tons. So water coming from the big pipe is pushing that turbine below the floor at about 48 miles an hour spinning. That turbine will in turn spin the shaft. And you can see the shaft in the very first generator, that lit area in the center. That metal shaft that you're looking at is 65 feet tall, 114 tons, and about 38 inches around. So the turbine down below spins that shaft. That shaft in turn spins the rotor. The rotor's encased in this red drum, what we call a stator. Now that rotor can be up to 580 tons. All around that rotor are 44-ton electromagnets, and they will all spin at about 180 revolutions per minute, and exciting electrons within the stator producing electricity. 16,500 volts instantly. And then that voltage will be sent outside to a wave step-up transformer. And we step it up to 230,000 volts. We've got to step it up to give it that distance it has to travel. AC electricity will weaken over distance. So the rule of thumb is 1,000 volts for every mile electricity has to travel. So 230,000 volts, 230 miles. And that is Southern California, our biggest and furthest customer. Now the next thing I want to bring your attention to is actually to my right, or behind most of you on the balcony. If you follow my arm up this big wall right here, you are staring at the Hoover Dam from the power plant side. Yes, the Hoover Dam is also the wall to this very big power plant. We were just standing on top of it a half an hour ago. So it is 726 feet tall, it's about 73 hotel floors. Crest Lake at the top, 1,244 feet tall, just shy of a quarter mile spanning Nevada and Arizona. But the base of Hoover Dam below us is 660 feet thick. To give you an idea how thick the base of Hoover Dam is below you, right here, towards the lake in that direction, it's about the length of 2 American football fields linked end to end from here towards the lake. If you don't follow football, then take a look at this wall right here, and then turn your heads completely around and look at that far wall past the generators down there. The distance from that wall down there to this wall is 650 feet. So you have to add another 10 more feet to the length of this room, fill this room with concrete from top to bottom, and that you can get the equal thickness of the base of Hoover Dam below us right here towards Lake Mead in that direction. Now on this balcony where we're all standing, you have 450 feet of concrete that is separated between here and the lake in that direction. And then this concrete just gradually narrows all the way to the top of the dam, where it's only 45 feet thick. And that's the road that you were standing on. So, if you remove the power plant and the lake away from this dam will look like a pyramid. It's got to be thicker on the bottom than it is on top, because the thickness of the concrete on the bottom will hold back the pressure of the water coming from the lake in that direction towards us. If I drew a straight line from here towards the lake, we're about 400 feet below the water line. At that depth, the water pressure is pushing at us at about 45,000 pounds per square foot. But that's the beauty of the arch design. The pressure the water pushes against the arch spreads that pressure, and then it also presses us firmly against the black canyons. All 6.6 million tons of Hoover Dam. It's an effective design, it works. In fact, this dam's lifespan is rated to about 2,000 years or more, and we can withstand an 8.6 magnitude earthquake. Now the last things I want to talk about are these designs on the floor. These designs were done by a gentleman named Alan Tupper True. You saw some of his designs along the way in the tunnels. These are his biggest designs. And these designs here are a specific interpretation. This one where I'm standing, if you can imagine, this is that shaft that you can see in that first generator to that mid area. 40 feet below the floor, this is that turbine that I was telling you about. And here's all that water churning and spinning that turbine, which spins that shaft. So this is the interpretation of this one. The other design around the corner there, around the rails, your first glance at that design, you probably think of something like an electrical outlet of some sort. If you do, that's what he thought of. So these two designs on this balcony right now represent the two primary functions of this dam: the water and the power, or electricity. So folks, I'm going to put away my microphone. We'll be heading out so we get out of this noise and I can answer your questions in the tunnels and along the way to the top. So just follow me on the right. All right, just follow me right here. We'll be on our way. There's going to be another group coming on our left. And here they are, so we just stay on the right.
Like you.